To draw a cowboy, we'll begin drawing a square. So once we have finished drawing a square, we'll add an oval which will form the hat. Then on the top of the oval, we'll be adding to a bump of the hat. And after finishing this, we'll add eyebrow, and using small circles we'll form the eye, fill in the eye. Then we'll draw a nose using inverted V shape. Then finally a smile. Something's missing, the hair and the ears. We'll put ears. After this, draw the hair. So we will fill in the hair. And with this done, we'll start coloring. So I'll be using light orange for the face, and for the hat we'll be using brown gold color. And that's how you draw a cowboy.